I know personally a dozen of you here in Tucson that have communicated with me personally for sure that have or are about to have a handyman business right here who are going after property managers. And I don't tell anybody what property managers I work for, but if you're using my method, you're pitching to my property managers and they've probably said yes to a few of you. And you're probably charging less than me if you're new. So I always keep that in mind that I'm creating my own competition here as well as everyone else's competition all over the place. So always remember that, man. There's always, and you don't need my channel to exist to have competition. There always has been and always will be somebody hungrier than you. So the moment you start letting your guard down and getting comfortable and thinking, I can get away with this, I can get away with that. That job can wait a few more days. I got it made here. This property manager needs me. They would never try anybody else because they love me. There's always somebody hungrier than me, and there's always somebody hungrier than you. So stay on top of stuff.